What is this? Unboxing. Let us see. Yeah. So what is this? Oh, what is that? Magic! Oh, wow. And then, oh. Oh. Ooh, lucky me. Oh, wow. My favorite, Blanca. Shoutout sa aking coffee mate sa office mate dati, si Christina. Ano niya mo? Oy, this is fragile. Kiss it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Uy, na aking palmole. Uy, ay, ay, ay. Cracklings. Ay, 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 magic sarap. And of course, yeah, soy sauce and vinegar. Yeah, mother. Oh, and what is this? Like this. How they take care the items. There's a paputok-paputok like that. And of course, mawawala ba naman ang ating paborito? Tuyo! Yum, 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 yum. Dried fish, mother. Dried fish.
Oh, dried fish.
Why? Mostly American hate dried fish. It's yummy. And let us see what is this. Nahihiwanagan talaga ako. Ang hirap buksan nito ah. Ano kaya to? What do you think? What is this? Ang hirap. Hirap na hirap akong buksan. Ano kaya to? Oh, I know what is this. Oh, kaya pala. Hot dog. Tapos nilagyan ng ice. Oh. Yun na pala ang pampabigat niya. Oh. Glazer ice. Gel. It's still hot dog only. Oh. No, Martin. Martin is my last name when I'm single. This is my product. The product of the Philippines. Ito talaga. Ito talaga yung number 1 kong in-order. Oh, look at this. What is this? Una kong in-order. What is this?
I don't know. What is it?
It's good for arthritis. Coffee ko. Super swan. Oh, magic sarap. Oh, shoutout Kabsat Mary Ann. Magkakanton na ako.
Copco.
Yeah. How do you read this?
Copco.
Copco. Slang. We call that Copico.
Copico.
Yeah, not Copco.
Well, that's what it looks like.
And she said this Palmolive is dishwashing. For dishwashing. Uy, may magic pa. Oh, libre. Oh,
Gummy
libre
bear.
free. Gummy bears.
Yeah, I thought I saw that.
This is crackers.
No.
Where? This one?
No.
Do you like this? Of course, I need to finalize to say thank you to my husband. Yeah. That's why he's still there. Thank you, my loves. You know, it's scripted. Right?
Scripted, huh?
My loves, Canton. Look, Canton. You know what is Canton? What is it?
The big fat noodles.
Okay. How about Kantotan?
Huh?
Kantotan. You know what is Kantotan?
I know what cantot is.
Kantot. Kantot.
Do you know what a cantot is?
Pakantot ka naman. Say it, pakantot.
The cantot.
Pakantot.